Buckland Junction is out. Yes, I'm in the loft. This video is going to be rather short and it's more of an announcement. There are some more updates to come. Traffic lights, Belisha beacons and more work on the town. But this is, this is an announcement to say I'm taking up drawing again. I've been spurred on by Rob and Grace's videos of especially of Grace drawing the Duchess of Hamilton as like switched on my my hand for drawing again. So let me show you a few things I have done, and so thanks to Grace I'm going back to drawing in the evenings, but there is more coming from Buckland Junction soon as the weather gets cold. So let's have a look at some of my drawings. Just one of many scribbles whilst playing with my grandson. This is a recent one in summer of 23 at my sister's art club. I had 2 hours to get this together. Another 2 hour sketch and watercolour with my sister at her art club in Witham in Lincolnshire. And this is one of my truck sketches, and this was 2014, so quite a long time since I've been doing serious drawing, but I want to get back to it now with the help of Grace. Cheers, Grace. Well, most of my truck pictures have been taken either from photographs, magazines, or by looking at the real thing while trucking around. Well, here we can see a sequence of photographs I've took while drawing this Scania. Quite a few hours of work put into this, but and at the end you'll see the finished product that I wasn't really quite happy with. Here comes quite a few more drawings of all different kinds, some scribbles, diagrams, some watercolours, just a little show across the board. I was quite happy with those. Yes, I should be doing some more trees, I think, so I'm quite happy with them. So let's take that up to the loft with us. Some attempts at watercolouring. Trying my hand out on trees and buildings. This is my Ford Transit before Vanity, and my old Escort scribbles. Vanity. Well, that's the Scania, and this was for a local honey company for an advert for their jars. Here are my pencils. So they're quite worn, aren't they, some of them? Coloured pencils, and well, thanks Grace for turning me on to this lovely paper. Can't wait to get started. Not to forget my watercolours and pastels. Well, thanks for watching. This is the end of this little video. Big thanks to Grace for kicking me back into gear, and let's see what comes next from Buckland Junction. So that all that remains for me to say is Alan out. Take care, please share. Thanks everyone. Bye. Well, it seems to be problem free so far. So good. coming faster. 2 at once would be nice. Yes. And the coal train is climbing up the incline there. This has been a great loco, this. I think I've got 3 of them now.